This video will teach you how to use the screen utility to set up a virtual terminal session. The virtual session will continue to run even if you are disconnected from the system, and it will be possible to reconnect to it to continue your work. To demonstrate, I will first log into a specific login node of Gram, and I will start my screen session with the command screen, adding the -s flag and then specifying the name I want to give to my screen. And here I have what looks like a standard session, except that it is running in the virtual screen. To demonstrate why a virtual screen is useful, I will now start to edit a file. And here I have some file which I have edited before, and I will add some more edits. And now I will disconnect from my virtual screen, and to do this I hold the Control key and I press AD, and I'm disconnected. Now to see which screens I have currently running, I execute screen-ls, and I see that the My Edits virtual session is present. To reattach to this virtual session, I run screen-d to force a reattachment, and -r to actually attach, and the name. And here I'm back in. To disconnect, I again hold Control-AD. Now to show you that this reconnection will work even when I lost my connection to the system, I will now log out of Gram. So I'm disconnected from it. And I could even try to connect now from another computer, but I will still connect from my laptop. So I connect again, and I run screen-ls, and I see that my virtual session is still there, even though I have logged out. And I have reconnected. And when I'm finally happy with all my work being done, I can save my editor session, and now I can type exit, and this actually terminates my virtual screen. So when I now list my screens, I see that there's no more screens. They have all been terminated.